can't believe I made this money, and I really can't believe it was free.
$5,000 in one day? That's like, wow. I can't believe people are missing this.
I was skeptical, but I shouldn't have been. I mean, my God.
Do I get to keep the money? Yes, of course. You get to keep it. All of it. It's incredible. Thank you. Sure.
Over $1,035.
Exactly.
At this rate, I could make $500,000? Over $1 million? And this is the easiest money I've ever heard of. Does anyone else know about this?
No one else knows about this.
When you tell other people about this, they're not going to believe you. You're going to have to show it to them yourself.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to show them how the system works, why it works, and everything.
You want to hear something crazy? $15,000. More than that. $15,382. That's how much I've made with this new program, eMobile Code. I got an invitation for the system early, and my goodness, it has been life-changing. I don't even know if you can get access to it, but if you get the chance, try this code. It is by far the best thing online right now. $15,000 is nothing to sneeze at. I didn't even believe it until I saw the money in my account. Best thing online right now. No question.
My friend introduced me to this thing called the eMobile Code. It's the first way to make money online that actually works. And now I'm making $500 a day. It runs in the background, so I don't have to be on the computer, and it's just pulling money into my account. My friend is making even more than I am, over $1,000 a day, because he spends more time on it. I recommend just doing the bare minimum.
Can't explain how it works, but I can tell you how much I made today with it. $800 cash, and that's just today. Again, I'm going to make over 6 figures this year, just with the software.
$2,000. That's how much I made. $2,000 just by clicking a few things every day. I almost feel guilty how much that's made.
Over $5,000 in just a month. That's $5,000.
I've made more than $5,000 with this, and it's not hard to use.
I made $900 last weekend while I was visiting my parents.
Over $500 every day. And I mean, it's cash.
$750.
Probably spent.
I've been making close to $1,000 every day.
$4,500 a week with this.
Over $3,000, that's $3,400.
There was $980 in the account.
$5,000.
$2,900.
Over $10,000. Let me see what the amount. I was less than $10,000.
Hey there! My name is Bill McKnight, and this is my lovely wife, Jenna. And we are 2 of the top 10 highest paid online multimillionaires in the world. Meaning that we make all of our money personally, not from running companies or investing in real estate, but instead on the internet.
In fact, we've made this quick video so that you can join us. A couple of our business colleagues who invited you to this video told us that you are smart, ambitious, and motivated by money, that you were eager to finally find out how easy it is to become wealthy online with the right tools and knowledge. And so, for the first time ever, and for a limited time only, we are exposing our secrets, our methods, and our tools. That's right. You are going to be able to download your free gift right away and start using the same methods we've been using to make money just like this.
You'll see why this is possible in just a second. All you have to do right now is keep watching. However, let me warn you, if you don't pay attention, if you for some reason miss out on what I'm about to tell you and the video stops, you're going to lose this gift. You're going to lose the free account that I'm about to give you, and you're going to lose all the money that you were going to make today. Believe me, this has actually happened and people deeply regret it. So pay extremely close attention, watch this video with both eyes, listen with both ears, and get ready because I have something absolutely mind-blowing to show you, and I want to give it to you for free. Now, what I'm about to show you has allowed me to make up to over $1 million a month. So just keep listening because you are going to be able to copy what we're doing in the next 5 minutes. Shall we go to Bangkok? So yeah. Yes, I know it's hard to believe. I mean, not many people make over $1 million a month online. But since successful business relationships always begin by being completely upfront and laying all the cards down on the table, I'm going to take a quick minute to prove it to you and show you exactly how it works. Here's what happened to a brand new affiliate account using this powerful income generating gift that I'm about to give you. Just look what happens to this brand new account in just a week. Now, how would you like to be making this kind of income in one day, let alone a week, let alone a year? And don't even think about how it's possible just yet. I'll show you how it works in a second. Just think for a moment how that kind of money would change your life. How would your lifestyle change? Would all your stress go away? What kind of car would you drive? How big would your house be? Where in the world would you like to travel and how often? Let me ask you this. Would you ever need to worry about your bills again? Would you ever have to worry about money again, period? Well, guess what? Since you were invited here, you're about to experience this because here's the good news. You are next.
See you inside, babe. I'm gonna go get changed.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here's what's happening right now. You are about to download, in just a minute, a completely life-changing gift, an unfair advantage that has made me over $1 million in just 1 month. Now, just because you clicked a special invitation-only link a few minutes ago, you also get to have this unfair advantage as a gift from me. So hang on for the next 5 minutes, grab a pen and paper because I am about to increase your probability of success right here, right now. Look, this special invitation was most likely emailed to you. You got this email probably because you signed up for one of my friend's email lists a long time ago. In hindsight, that was a smart decision. Or, I don't know, maybe you just happened to stumble across this page by sheer luck. No matter how you got here, you are extremely lucky because you are one of only a small handful of people fortunate enough to be seeing this special video. And because you're watching this video, you are about to get my own personal and powerful cash-generating businesses for free. And when I say powerful cash-generating businesses, I mean the exact clones of all of my online businesses that has every single part of making money baked into its code. The same businesses that allowed me to open a brand new ClickBank account and make money just like this. It's step by step and it's complete. Now I'm going to show you how it works in this video, so if you're skeptical, that's good. You're going to love watching it work, and the reason that I'm so confident is because this is the actual system that I use personally to make money just like you see here. This is my bread and butter that I have personally used to make over $10 million on the internet over the past 9 months. 9 months ago, my bank account looked like this. And now it looks like this. At the center of my system is a military-grade cell phone server that automatically does the one thing that every single one of the top 25 at-home internet millionaires wished they had. And for the next couple of days, I'm not only giving it away to a handful of people that qualify, but I've also automated it and simplified it, especially for beginners. That's right, beginners are actually preferred. Come with me.